Hi, I'm Henry, your AI-generated guide for this training session. If you don't understand anything I'm going to teach you today, remember, don't shoot the messenger. Because I will be back. Today, I'm going to show you how to animate the face of your AI image and add a voice. Let's open your browser and type DID in the address bar. As you see, I've already signed up. Now, I will click the login button. The next thing we will need to do is select a text-to-voice program. I'm going to use a program called Speechelo. From this screen, I will type in some dialogue. Next we will choose a voice type. Using the preview voiceover button, I can hear how the voice sounds and determine if I want to use it, or try another. Once I've made my selection, then I will click Generate a Voiceover, listen to it one more time. Then download the voiceover and put it in a folder for safekeeping. Then we'll go to Discord, and use a program called Midjourney, to generate an AI image. Let's save the image to a folder. Which I have already done. The process creates 4 images to choose from. We choose one, and upscale it. Next, we open it in a browser, and save it to a folder, for later. In this case, right now is later. I'm going to pause to give you a moment to like and subscribe. Please, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Next, we go to DID, and create the finished product. Now click Create Video. Upload the image we just created. Then we upload the MP3 voice we just created by clicking Upload Voice Audio button. Once that has completed the upload process, click Generate Video again, finally click Generate, and in just a few seconds you can have something like this.
Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize our world and bring about unprecedented advancements in various fields.
Thanks for watching. Oops, I'm sorry we're not done yet, we need to show you how to blend images first.
Women are powerful forces in the business world, capable of driving innovation, growth, and success. Women are powerful forces in the business world, capable of driving innovation, growth, and success.
Well, I hope that was information you can use, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.